Good morning, everyone. Oh, the sunshine has just hit me here. Right, really interesting job here. This car is brand spanking new, brand new model line. It's called the Tiago. I've never seen one. It's come from customers brought it, and it's been protected by Johnson's Volkswagen. So car's been ceramic coated. It's had their protection, and they've made a total mess of it. We're talking scratches down the car. It's bad. So I wanted to document this so you guys can see what you're getting when you go to the dealers as a general. Not all dealers, but most of them, this is the standards that they produce. So let's go through this one, and at this point we're just starting to wash it off now. Let's have a look at the water behavior, and then I'm going to keep talking through you throughout the process of this one, and then I'm going to send this video to Johnson's Volkswagen. I'm going to send it to the business manager, because you know what, I think you should let us take over your protection work, because we're going to do a far better job and your customers are going to be a lot happier, and then they're not going to be coming externally to somebody like me to have it redone. You can spray the bonnet. So we've got more of a sheeting effect and a very slow, okay, there's very little happening here. Okay, he's starting, but this is completely subpar performance in my opinion. Now, what's even worse, wait till I get this inside and I put the lights on it. You will not believe the condition. This is brand new. Can't show the plate, customer doesn't want me to do that, understood. But this is a brand new vehicle. So we're gonna get it washed off, get it deconned, get it clay barred. We're gonna get it in, and then we're gonna start the process. And I'll show you what we do to get these cars right, particularly a black car. Really not easy to get right, a lot of work. And this one is having G-Technic Crystal Serum Ultra Black. So this is our top end product, 10 years. Yeah, let's go get it. This is what we're dealing with. Guys, this is a brand new car. They ceramic coated, or whatever they did, over this. How bad is that? Look at that. Shocking. So I'm showing you the door, but this is evident across the complete car. Let's see if I can. There you go, all the way. So we're gonna get this back to how it should be, layer up some amazing protection on here, and get this looking right. So the tools that we're using, we've got Kosh Chemi H9 heavy cut, microfiber pads, 15mm throw DA. Neil's got the same over the other side. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna prime the pad, and I'll show you how we're gonna work through this bonnet. I'm only gonna show you a little bit of a section of the bonnet, and at the end, I'll show you the final result. You've seen what the paint looks like, but I'll give you a little test of what we do to basically remove tiny amounts of clear to get this perfect before we lock in our ceramics. Getting the weight of the machine. Nice and slow. The coating Crystal Serum Ultra, we're doing Ultra Black, so 2-layer, but we're going to show you how we layer this process up. So we spread this particular ceramic on relatively small area, color it in as we're doing, and then we need to get this one straight off. So we will do a first wipe, which levels the coating, and then we'll do that kind of final buff with another rag. Usually we've got them here, but Neil, I've just realised, has left his. Second. And then we need to leave this complete car to cure for 12 hours. So we've got another coating to do. So we'll do the whole complete car again with another coating. And then we'll leave the car for 12 hours. The unit's heated to about 24 degrees to make sure that everything's curing properly. Second coating that's applied over the complete car. Exo is a topper, very hydrophobic, adds extra protection and just gives this beautiful, wonderful kind of candy gloss reflections. Look at that, perfect. And there is the finished article. Car still raised at the moment, just dressing the tyres. But I want you to go back. I might even drop the photo in at the bottom of the picture and look at this door. Look at this door to what it looked like before. Still some slight isolated nicks in there. Unfortunately, you're not going to get absolutely everything out, but we're talking, this is definitely in the 95 percentile range of improvement. All ceramic coated. We've got our warranties up in the window. Don't want to show the plate. Customer asked me not to do that, so we'll stick to this side. But there we go. This is what's achievable. So guys, if you're thinking about going to the dealerships, make sure that they're using proper people to do their work. I often find that their own valeters, unless very, very well trained, and there are some out there that do a fantastic job, but the majority, what you saw earlier is what we see. So, and this one is for you, Volkswagen. I want to email you this video, and if you're interested in getting us to help you out, please drop us an email, because I think there's something that we can really do to help you get these cars out to the quality that you need, get those customers super happy on these beautiful high-end vehicles, and, you know, have a name that's worthy, have the cars coming out looking how they should do for, you know, expensive vehicles. Thanks again, guys. Anybody that's interested, drop us a DM or give me a call for bookings. Thank you. The water behavior. That is how it should be. Perfect. And a very happy customer.